Hey guys, it's Jarrett. We're here at Bruiser Conversions again following the Jeep JLU crew build that's going on right in the other room. It is now day 3, 4, and 5 in this video, so we're going to be covering a lot of progress and a lot of things are happening. At the end of this video, we're going to have 66 days remaining until SEMA, and that is only counting work days, the days that we have to actually make stuff happen on this Jeep. So not a lot of time, but once you see the progress that we're making, you'll understand that this thing will be finished up. Today in this video, you're not only going to see the body come off of the frame of the JL, you're going to see the engine come out of that frame, all the plumbing come off of it, and then it's going to go over to the fab shop. We're going to cut that frame clean in half. So here we go. Last Friday was day 3 of the JLU crew build, and we got started on building a jig to hold the rear end of the Jeep in place. Now, as you guys saw in video 2, we chopped the whole back end off where the tail lights were and the rear swing gate was. All that stuff is gone. And when you're taking big structural parts out of a Jeep tub like that, what you're left with is flimsy body panels that are susceptible to moving around on you when you don't want them to. What the jig does is it's an internal structural skeleton per se that kind of keeps things in place so that they can make new cab corners in the back and get everything lined up so that it fits perfectly when it goes back together. Yesterday, otherwise known as day 4 of the JLU crew build, was another really big day. We took the JLU body off of the frame to start the day. Now, this makes it easier to swap engines. We had to do chassis work anyways, but what we did is we used the lift in the shop to lift the whole thing up, took the body mounts out, and then lowered it back down. Once it was down again, the body was just sitting on the frame with nothing structurally holding it on there. So we just moved the lift to go underneath the pinch welds on the tub and then lifted the tub right off of the frame. With the tub clear from the frame, we were able to roll the frame forward and start disassembling the rest of the plumbing, including the brake lines, transmission, transfer case, engine, exhaust, and get all that stuff off so that we could send the frame off to the next step. body had to get mounted onto a roller so that we could move it around and send it in between fabrication and prep and paint and future things down the line. Luckily, the body mounts on the JLU are so similar to the JK that very minimal modification was necessary in order to get it set on a pre-made roller that we already had. While that framework was going on the other side of the fab shop, they were already getting ready to build new panels for the JL. This included taillight deletes, filling in the old wheel wells in the rear, because instead of having a wheel well right behind that rear door, it's now going to extend all the way out and around for one clean tub, and then there will be a bed directly behind that tub. The fab work involved with getting a JLU tub to look like a pickup truck cab is extremely in-depth. It takes a lot of precision work to cut out custom body panels, fill in existing holes, and make it look like nothing was ever there. For that reason, an exceptional amount of time has to be spent on making sure that all measurements are perfect, all cuts are perfect, and everything is as clean as possible to make body work after the metal fab as easy as possible. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of the JLU crew build. Follow us on all of our other social media platforms as well. That's Facebook, Instagram. Go to our websites, bruiserconversions.com and curltv.com. And feel free to like this video if you thought it was enjoyable. Comment down below. And while you're at it, go check out teamadw.com if you want to get one of these cool t-shirts. We'll see you guys right here on the next episode, so stay tuned. Peace.